Hello, good morning. In this this practical is design and implement 4-bit up-down counter using IC 74191. Okay, this is a synchronous counter. This IC is for the synchronous counter. Now here, learning objectives of this practical, student will be able to design and implement 4-bit up-down counter and presetable counter using synchronous counter IC 74191. The equipment required for this is a power supply, 5-volt power supply is required, LED bank will required, then breadboard, then IC 74191 is required, then clock signal means signal generator is required, and the connecting wires is required, crocodile clips and crocodile wires and the single stand wire we will required. Okay, so this IC 7491 is synchronous binary up-down reversible counter with preset and ripple clock. It is a 4-bit binary counter with 4 master slave flip-flops. This IC can count up or down synchronously and has synchronous preset terminal. This IC is capable of counting from 0 to 15 up mode and 15 to 0 in a down mode. It permits loading parallel data of any desired value. This operation has got highest priority. So here in this practical, we have to perform up counter, we have to perform down counter, then parallel loading and presetable counter. Okay, so first we will see this up counter and down counter in this video. Then these are the pins in this IC. We can see the pin diagram. We will see the pin diagram first. See, this is the pin diagram. You can see this is 16 pin IC. Pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay, so from this, this 16 is having VCC, it is having ground. Then this 4 and 5, 4 is having enable input terminal which is active low. Then 5 is the down oblique up counting. This is for up or down counting direction. Then this 2, 3 and 6, 7 are the outputs. Here we have to connect the LED. Then this 1, then this 9, 10 and 15 are the input terminals. Then this 11 is the load terminal, parallel load terminal. Okay, so these are the pin diagram of this 74191 IC. Using this pin diagram, we can implement this experiment on the breadboard. So the procedure is given here like this. See the procedure. This is for up counter, then down counter, then parallel loading and presetable counter. Now I am showing you here up counting, how to do the connections. Load input PL 11 number pin is made inactive by connecting it to VCC. We have to connect it to VCC. Then you can see in this on this board, you can see this 11 pin is connected to VCC. This 11 is connected to VCC. This terminal is VCC terminal. Then count enable C is made active by connecting it to ground. So this terminal number 5, this 5 is connected to this ground terminal. Then up oblique down is connected to ground. This up oblique ground is connected to ground. You can see over here. Then clock pulse is applied to the CPU input. We can see this is the function generator. This one is the function generator. We will set this frequency at a very low value, and this is connected to this terminal number 14 CP of this IC. Okay, as well as this VCC is given to this IC, ground is given to this IC. Then we have to connect this P0, P3 to don't care. This input pins, we have to input pins means this. These are the input pins 1, 9, then 10 and 15 we have to put it don't care, and we have to connect the LED bank to this QD, QC, QA and QB. So here we have connected this QA, QB, QC and QD. This one is the MSB, this one is the LSB. Okay, then we have made all the connections. Now we will make this VCC on and we will see the counting. See, this counting starts from 0. Now it goes to up counting. Now you can see, then it started from the 0. Now it goes in a up direction, means 0 to 15. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, now this goes in the up direction. Now we will make it to the down direction. So for that we have to connect it to VCC. Now you can see it will start from 15, then 14, 13, it goes to 0. Okay, again it is from 15. Three, 2, 1 and 0. Again it starts from 15. So like this it counts in up direction, means from 0 to 15, and in down direction from 15 to 0. Okay, so similar way you have to perform it as a parallel loading. So what is mean by parallel loading? What you have to do in the parallel loading? Connecting the PL to ground does the parallel loading. So this 11 number pin we have to connect it to ground and it will perform as a parallel loading. See, this will be the parallel loading. So here we can apply the inputs to P0 to P3 and check the output at Q0 to Q3. Now you can see if one of the terminal, suppose terminal number 1 is connected to ground, pin number is connected to ground, and you can see this is the this what we are applying here, that will get loaded into this. Okay, so this is known as the parallel loading. And then the last part here, presetable counter. Okay, so what happen in up and down counting? The counter starts counting from the 0 to 15 or 15 to 0. Instead of it will count from 0, it will count from any other value. It will count from any other value. This is known as the presetable counter, and that is achieved by the set input. We can set the input P0 to P3 at any value. Okay, and then we will make this PL parallel loading to VCC, and then we have to connect it immediately we have to connect it to the VCC, and then it will start counting from which set we have applied there. This is known as the presetable counter. Okay, so like this you have to perform up counter, down counter, parallel loading and presetable counter. Okay, thank you.